Today we're going to replant a plant. So we have this beautiful monstera that turn into monsters if you treat them right. And we're going to repot it. It's got wicked roots already. And it's less than a year old. And we're going to repot it in here into an IKEA self-watering plant. We're going to start and we're going to put some bark at the bottom just to give it some good drainage. And then cover it with soil. This root system is awesome. Look at those roots that came out the bottom of the pot. So we want to break these up a bit. We want to shake that up and let it air out. And sometimes when you're repotting, you can even, if they're really tight, take a razor and go down 3 or 4 parts of the plant on different sides. And I'm gonna see, because really we have 2 plants here. We have 2 plants here. And perhaps we can pot 2 different plants. So we'll do that and see how it goes. Okay, so we are all done with the repotting, and yes, we made 2 plants. And so this one has been tied up with the coca cord sticks, and you can get them on Amazon.com. So this one, we haven't tied it up yet. And so what we're gonna do, you see how the stick is there, and all you wanna do is just like grab all of these, and oh, we got a baby under here. And so we want to grab these and hold them all together. And then we use some twine and tie it up. And that way it's going to grow up and not flop over. And this is our transition of the $12, less than $12. We got 2 beautiful plants because we separated them, and we had a lifetime of oxygen and beauty in the house. We'll check back on these and see how they recover, because they're a little droopy right now. They had a little transition and breakup, but they're still happy just the same. Can you dig it?
If you like what you saw today, please like the video, leave a comment, be nice, and subscribe to my channel and tell a friend. Don't deny the little purple-haired girl. Plus, you can get more of who I am and what I do on Facebook at Can You Dig It, and at The Gardenista, no space, on Instagram. I'm Adrienne Denise, and that's the dirt. Toodles.